So this neighborhood kept getting flooded, kept getting flooded. So what I did is I took these level sensors, started putting them in every manhole on that 48, both lines, T sections, and coming down out of the residential area. And we just looked at the trends over a period of time, and what we realized, they undersized the catch basins pipes that were going into the 48. So they undersized that so it wasn't draining fast enough to get into the 48, because the 48 never overflowed. It always still had a little bit of capacity. Even if it had a couple inches, it still had a couple inches. But they didn't design correctly the catch basins to actually flow faster into that 48 to get all the capacity out of it.